In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can search for something on Pinterest using the things image. Yeah, so you're trying to search for a dress, a desk, or something, but you're using an image, so you get similar images. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Hop on Pinterest like this, and then you tap on the search button, middle, home, search is next. Good. At the search, you see you normally have to enter something there, but now we have a picture appearing at the top right. So tap on that. Good. And now your images should appear. So you see you can take an image, a picture, or if you don't want a picture, you see there is a picture button appearing there. You get access to the images on your mobile phone. Yeah, very simple. So you tap on any of them like that, and the AI searches, and good, you find a couple images just like what you are trying to search for. If it's an inspiration you're trying to get, that's it on how you search images on Pinterest using another image. If you are new here, give me a like. I have a couple tutorials on Pinterest. You can check them out on the channel. Peace.